Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to show you our GIF maker. We have two modes, one for YouTube and one for recording your desktop. So if you want to showcase your SaaS or record some memes, then this tool. First thing that you want to do is activate it from the settings panel and then look for GIF. Make sure that both these options are activated. Secondly, you want to set a shortcut for the GIF maker. Go to extensions, shortcuts, and over here you can just record anything. I prefer to do everything with Ctrl+Shift because that's the theme for the rest of the operating system. So press Ctrl+Shift and G for GIF. That makes it easy for me to remember. Okay, so once it's installed, you want to refresh your page, make sure everything is running. And you may even have to refresh your browser. Quick little tip, once this is open, you can press R for refresh, or you can press this button right here and that will reset your browser, reset your Chrome extension. If you reset your Chrome extension, then you have to refresh the page for everything to be activated. Okay, so once you're going, you can just record anything that's on your screen. So if I record just a quick little highlighting tool for whatever reason, just stop there. You're going to see that the GIF maker opens instantly. There's no waiting while everything loads as you have with some others that often take 20 to 40 seconds to do. The next thing you want to do is set your quality. So depending on what kind of image you need, obviously you can tweak everything here. You can even tweak the export size if you want to constrain it to a particular width, and you can preview what's going on here depending on what you're recording. Now you can also trim frames. So if you want to highlight these frames and delete them all at once, you can do so here, and you can trim any other frame in between, so you're not stuck with anything that you recorded. Front and back can be trimmed. The other thing you can do, you can obviously rotate anything and add any kind of text here. So if you want to make a meme from a video or from an image, you can do so here. This will stay, this got different background colors, so if you want something in the background, you can do that as well. But this will stay put while the rest of your GIF has action on it. So that is the first option, which is using just the regular desktop version or browser version. The secondary version is right here embedded in a video. So if you take any video, this one for example, I'm a fan of Corey, so just want to show you using his video, but let's say we like this particular start, or we have our own and we want to record it, or any other part of the video. There's a little button here with the record button. So all you have to do is push it, you get a little countdown, then when you're ready, record, and then stop. So once you stop, you're going to see that it automatically, let me just pause this, you're going to see that it automatically starts recording. Same thing applies. You're going to see that your settings are persistent, so whatever you set last time will stay here. And then just make sure that this isn't moving anymore, because you want all the frames to load for you to have everything basically. So you can see obviously that that's very fast, but if you want to make it slower, then you just change the speed and it'll go at normal speed. So that is the GIF maker for YouTube and browser from SEO Time Machines.